In this tutorial, you will learn how to use the Career Buddy. Let's dive in. To find your dream job, networking and presentation skills are very valuable. You will more easily land a new job if you have the right connections and when you are able to present yourself well. With the Career Buddy, you get better in exploring and expanding your professional network, setting up meetings and events, tailoring your CV, and creating a personal pitch. The Buddy guides you through the activities and gives tips and tricks along the way. So, how can you start working on your skills? First, select the activities you would like to work on. Then go to Progress. Here you see an overview of your activities, what you have done so far and what is still to come. Click on an activity to see which tasks are included. Add your documents. You can download your personal notes. Go to your to-dos to start doing your tasks. Set your personal goals, read our tips, and tick off your to-do list. Preparing yourself for your career move requires time, commitment, and persistence. But your efforts will be worth it because networking and presentation skills are essential for your entire career. Unlock new job opportunities and stay ahead of the competition now. Good luck.